Hello everyone, Derek Mazzarella CFP here from Gateway Financial Partners. Thank you so much for coming to check out my YouTube page. My hope is that you find some financial information that you actually enjoy learning about and you take some things away from it that you could actually use in your life. So how is this going to compare to other YouTube financial videos that you see out there? I think there's two main things. One is, unlike some other YouTube videos out there regarding financial planning or whatever, I'm actually licensed. I'm a CFP, so this isn't going to be a video about how to become a millionaire in 13 days because those typically tend to be scams. So Derek Mazzarella, I'm a CFP. I have my Series 7, my Series 66. I have an accident health license. I have a life insurance license. And I also have my property and casualty license, so I'm pretty well versed on a lot of financial topics. Number two is we actually have to send all of our videos through compliance, so everything is actually fact checked, so I'm not sending you any BS videos. Everything is confirmed by our compliance team. Also, unfortunately, our compliance team has to disable content, so you may comments, so you may notice that there are no comment sections on our YouTube channel. That's okay. I already do know that I have a very crooked nose and it's very large, so we'll just kind of move on from there. So some of the things that I hope you will gain from our videos are, if you're just starting out, you may want to know, how do I get started? This is going to be a great resource for you. If you're thinking about retiring soon, this is going to be a great resource for you as well, because we'll map out some of the risks you have for retirement, how to retire successfully, and we're just going to show you a lot of different things on the way. We're going to have different types of videos. We're going to have whiteboard videos where we focus on specific topics. We're going to have some guest speakers that come in and that are particular experts in a category, so such as your car insurance or potentially estate planning attorneys that are going to teach you how to evaluate your wills and your trusts. So we're going to have a lot of different resources other than just hearing me talk. So one of the ways that you can help me out is, if you love these videos and you find them useful and you're learning something from them, please feel free to subscribe, like the videos if you like them, because they'll help more people actually see the videos. And you can search for me at Derek Mazzarella, a CFP at Gateway Financial Partners. So hope you enjoy the videos and looking forward to producing more videos and content for you in the future.